Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about Pho spices. First one, I'd like to compare Ceylon Cinnamon and Cassia cinnamon. Ceylon cinnamon sticks is from the Cinnamomum verum plant. It is not the same with Cassia cinnamon. It is a closed rolled pipes, while Cassia cinnamon is hollow. Ceylon cinnamon has a sweeter flavor. Cassia cinnamon contains a very high amount of coumarins and its taste is bitter. For pho, we use Ceylon cinnamon. Steranijs Illicium verum is an evergreen tree native to northeast Vietnam. This fruit of Illicium verum is widely used as a spice in many cuisines, especially in Asian cooking. It is one of the principal components of the Pho spice powder and is an essential ingredient which is used in pho. Black cardamom, its smoky flavor, menthol-like qualities, is the signature of pho. Unlike green cardamom, this black cardamom is rarely used in sweet dishes. It is used more for hearty dishes. Because of its intensity, it suits to long-cooked dishes. Dry fenouil has anise flavor. It can be confused with anise, which is similar in flavor and appearance, but smaller. It is also one of the 5 components of the Pho spice powder. Cloves has a warm taste with a strong aroma of pepper. Cloves can be used in an orange as a pomander. Cloves has been used not only as a spice but also as medicine for many ailments, and it is one of the 5 components of the Pho spice powder. Coriander seeds is actually dried coriander fruit and is used in cuisines throughout the world. It has a citrus flavor. Roasting or heating the seeds heightens its flavor. And this is how much of these spices we could use for a broth for 2 to 4 persons. And the last one, of course, pepper. Vietnam is the world's largest producer and exporter of pepper. Dried ground pepper has been used as spice and also as a traditional medicine. It is one of the most common spices added to cuisines around the world. This is Queen in the movie Pho Spices. Thanks for watching and see you next time.